In my previous video, I showed you guys how to apply render shadings, which are also called hypershades. Now, it's important to note that each time you open a new file in Maya, there is a default setting. So here you can see that there is a default lighting. I'm going to show you guys how to make different lights in order to create a more, let's say, dramatic effect on your objects. Now, if you go to use all lights, it becomes pitch black because right now we don't have any lights created. If you go to create lights, you can actually choose which type of light you want, and I'm gonna go with spotlight because it's the easiest to see in a dramatic way. And if you go here, this is actually what is known as the light manipulator. So to give you guys a better idea of what this looks like on a reflective surface, I'm going to just add a polygonal cylinder, and we're going to go here to the shortcut, which is the hypershade window, and we can go with Phong for a more reflective material, and we'll turn that into glass. Now, not everything has to be fancy as we did with the floor, so we can just change it to a soft blue and change the transparency. Now if you go over here and you right click and go to existing material and go to glass, you have your effect on your object. Now if we go back to the light manipulator, you can actually see how it affects the object's transparency as well as the view or dramatic effect on really any object in Maya. So now you have an idea of what the spotlight looks like. You can go again to create lights and try ambient, directional, point light, area light, or volume light all for yourself. That's all for today.